Hello, Nicholson kids and parents. I am here today. I'm Miss Malo, your media specialist at Nicholson. I am new, but I'm happy to be here. I am going to show you today how to put books on hold through Destiny or to read books online in Cobb Digital Library. So let me go here. There are a few different ways to get to Cobb Digital Library. You can just go to the Cobb County website and then go to menu, parents and students, resources, digital resources, and then, digital library is right here, and then you'll click this link. You'll have to log in with your information, your student's information. The password is the birthday. And then you'll be logged in, and then you just click on the student's grade level. This here is Destiny. This is where you will find books that you want to put on hold. So it's our whole Nicholson Library catalog. So you'll click there. You have to log in again on Destiny in order for us to know who's putting books on hold. So do not type anything over here under the Follett account. Just click the blue Cobb County School login. Once you are there, you'll see that whatever book you're looking for, you can then put it on hold. If you click unhold, I had that book on hold earlier, and I can now unhold it. If you want to search for books that are on your students' level, then you can go down to maybe the types of genres. Maybe they like fantasy. And then you can search by Lexile level. Or if your teacher is doing Fontes and Pinnell, you can go to the Fontes and Pinnell level. So maybe they're a level H, let's say. Maybe I is a little challenge. Then you can go down and hit apply, and it'll pull up all the books that are closer to that student's level. And then you just click hold, and it'll put that book on hold for you. If you want to look at the books that you currently have checked out, you click here on checkouts, and then it'll tell you the holds that you currently have also. So that's just some fun stuff as far as when they get back in school, or if they have books out from March. When you put a book on hold, it will notify me on my system, and then I will email you to schedule a time for pickup. We are available Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, from 8 to 2, and then on Fridays from 8 to noon. We are not in school on Wednesdays, so there will be no pickups that day. And then to read books online, you're going to go back to Mac and Via, and you can go to Tumblebooks, which is here, and they have all sorts of fun read alouds here, read alongs. This shows you the words as they read. Ebooks doesn't have, this is where they can read chapter books online. They just go and hit read online, and then they can read the chapters. So some fun ways to read books online. Another way that they can read books online is through Sora. When you log into Sora, it will prompt you for your school name. Do not type Nicholson here. Find Cobb County School District. That'll give you access to more books. And then you even can have access to the Cobb County Public Library as well to read books. And when it prompts you to log in here, you just use your student ID number, which is like your lunch number, and your password is your 4 digits for your birthday. So those are some awesome ways to read books. When you do go, let me go back to the Cobb County Library, or our school. These headphone ones, these are audio books, so they won't have words or just listening to a book. When you do read a book on the computer, make sure that when you hit borrow, you can read the book, but you do have to return them. I know that sounds funny because it's an online book, but if somebody else is going to be able to read that book, you have to return it. So when you go to return it, you hit here, and then you go to options, and then you hit return, and then now somebody else can read that book. So only one person can read a book at a time, so you will have to go back and return them each time you read one. If you're not done reading it, maybe you read it today and you want to read it again tomorrow, then you don't have to return it, but then make sure you do return it so that other people have a chance to read it. All right, so those are some fun ways that you can put put books on hold so that you can pick them up from our actual library for my virtual kids, and also how you can read books online. There are multiple ways, like I said, to get to Cobb Digital Library. If you have a Cobb County device, you could even just click Cobb Digital Library on the desktop, or Destiny to put books on hold on the desktop. So there are different options. There's also a link on the Nicholson website as well, and a lot of your teachers are putting resources in their CTLS platform for the teachers too. So if you click resources, they may have added Cobb Digital Library in there for the kids. So there's lots of easy ways to find it. If you don't find it that way, you can even just go and type macandvia.com. It will prompt you for your school name. Make sure you find Nicholson Elementary in Marietta. And then if it prompts you to log in, it's your student ID and then your birthday. And then you just find your grade level. Destiny is in all the different grade levels. Tumblebooks and Sora are also there. So those are your options. I hope that is helpful. I can't wait to meet all of you in person and on the computer. And I hope you have a fabulous day.